Hi guys, and welcome to the fully charged service centre here in London Bridge. Today we are going to be looking at the new Moustache J, and that's J in English, but our friends over in France like to call it J. And basically this bike is the most exciting bike to come out of the Moustache factory in a very long time. So what makes this bike so special? For me, first of all, it's the forged frame. Now this is one piece of aluminium that is sourced locally to their factory in France. And it's got these oversized pivots here onto this direct swing arm, which gives you 100% control and torque. And then this part here is what I absolutely love, that is the full suspension. So this is not just for doing jumps or whatever it is that people think it is. This is for control and comfort. And once you've ridden that in the city, you'll understand what I mean. It just improves your riding and makes you feel safer. And it makes you feel like you can go a little bit faster and have a bit more fun, and that's what it's all about. And of course, we are looking at a step-through bike, and it's a bit of a taboo for some people. It's like, oh, it's a women's bike, it's this and that. I can assure you it's not. It's highly stylish, highly practical, and very easy to use, especially in an urban setting where you're getting on and off the bike quite a lot. And also, it's got this seat dropper. Now, this is really good. So you can press a button, and you can go down. Now this is great for, originally it was designed for mountain biking, for going down and up steep hills, but now it's great for traffic lights and stop starting and enjoying it with the correct geometry and a really nice upright geometry as well, which is what Moustache are famous for, the Moustache bars. The bike also comes with the Bosch Smart system. Now a lot of bikes come with that now, but not all of them come as standard with the BCM. That's the Bosch Connect module. The BCM gives you trackability through your phone, an alarm and lockability. This bike comes as standard with that. So the motor of this bike is actually standard with the Bosch Performance line. Now with the new smart system, the Bosch Performance line is now 75 Newton meters, which is more than enough power you need. Not quite as noisy or highly strung as the CX, and I would say ideal for softer, more enjoyable riding. So this particular bike will have the 625 watt-hour battery, which is capable of doing 30 to 100 miles or so. You can have it in 500, but we choose not to bring it in from France in that level because we just think it's such good value to go for the 65. Another special feature about the bike is it now comes with the carbon gate belt drive. This is a really nice feature, no oil, super quiet, very low maintenance. We are going to do a much deeper review with the founder of Moustache, who's coming over specially to meet up with me, and we're going to go on a bike ride, and we have a really cool location planned, and we're going to go into depth about the riding of this bike. And the all, which we're going to show you now, they look similar but different. I mean, this has got the PBS rack, which is the fully suspended rack. You can see here that the whole rack is suspended. So if you were carrying a heavier load, it will move with the bike, so it will handle better. The suspension has a little bit more travel, and you'll notice that this has chunkier tyres as well. So these are the Johnny Watts tyres rather than the Supermoto on the on. And the gearing on the on and the all, you have the same option with the Gates carbon belt drive and the Enviolo hub. Now this is a constant variable transmission which has a series of ball bearings inside the hub. So it's like being in one really long gear that you just adjust, and it's got a little man here that you just see what he does in the picture, and this has been around for years now, and it is extremely popular with high-spec electric bikes, and it's just so user-friendly and so easy to use. And the colour options are this obviously being in black, the other bike being in olive, and then there's a grey, like a kind of off-white light colour. So in closing, you've got these two fantastic models, and you've got the weekday commuter, weekend warrior, or the urban explorer, and it's just you've just got to ride them. I mean, I cannot believe how good they are to ride, and I'm really looking forward to the next video where we can really go on that deeper adventure and you can see us riding them and the feeling that it gives you. Thanks for putting up with the train noise, and we really look forward to the next review. Thanks very much.